Welcome to my detailed review of ONLYOFFICE, a versatile document collaboration platform designed for teams and individuals seeking a robust alternative to Microsoft Office and Google Workspace. As we explore the site, you'll quickly see that ONLYOFFICE provides a complete Office suite with word processing, spreadsheets, presentations, and document management functionalities all packed into one sleek interface. The layout is clean, modern, and easy to navigate, with a web-based interface that allows real-time editing and collaboration. Setting up an account is straightforward, and once you're in, you have access to various tools tailored for both personal and enterprise use. ONLYOFFICE supports a wide range of document formats, including DOCX, XLSX, PPTX, and more, ensuring compatibility with existing files. The editing tools are highly functional, offering advanced formatting options, complex formula support, and seamless integration with third-party services like Nextcloud, OwnCloud, and SharePoint. One of the standout features is the real-time collaboration, where multiple users can edit documents simultaneously, with changes appearing almost instantly. The document sharing options are flexible, with customizable permissions allowing you to control who can view, edit, or comment on your files. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. DocuQuipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. However, ONLYOFFICE is not without its drawbacks. While the platform is excellent for collaboration and file management, some users might find the learning curve slightly steep compared to simpler tools like Google Docs. Additionally, some advanced features are only available in the paid version, which might be a deal breaker for those looking for a completely free solution. The mobile apps are decent, but could use improvements in terms of interface and functionality. Despite these limitations, ONLYOFFICE remains a solid choice for those looking to enhance their productivity through a powerful and feature-rich platform. If you're interested in document collaboration with a professional-grade feel, ONLYOFFICE might just be the tool for you. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and guides. Thanks for watching.